Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious bagels using self-rising flour. This incredibly simple recipe requires just 2 main ingredients for the dough, making it perfect for a quick breakfast or snack. Forget the long proofing times of traditional bagels. This method gets you fresh, warm bagels in under an hour. We'll cover everything from mixing the dough to baking them to golden perfection, ensuring a satisfying and chewy result every time. To begin, measure out 1½ cups of self-rising flour into a large mixing bowl. Next, add 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt. Use a spoon or your hands to mix these 2 ingredients until a shaggy dough starts to form. Once combined, turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and knead it for approximately 5 to 8 minutes. This develops the gluten and creates a smooth, elastic dough, essential for that perfect bagel chew. Now it's time to shape your bagels. Divide your prepared dough into 8 equal portions. Take each portion and roll it into a rope about 6 inches long. Then, bring the ends of the rope together to form a circle, firmly pinching them to seal. Once shaped, carefully drop your bagels into a pot of boiling water. Boil each bagel for 1 minute on each side. This quick boil helps create that signature chewy crust. Finally, it's time to bake your beautiful bagels. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the boiled bagels on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. For an extra golden and shiny crust, you can brush them with an egg wash. Bake for approximately 20 to 25 minutes or until they are beautifully golden brown. Once baked, feel free to add your favorite toppings, like sesame seeds, poppy seeds, or everything bagel seasoning, and enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.